In this video we are going to learn about fillets and chamfers. A fillet is a rounded corner or edge and a chamfer is a beveled corner or edge. Both the fillet and chamfer commands can be applied to 2D sketches of 3D models. Now, how to draw a fillet. Click the Fillet tool. Define the radius for the fillet. Click the left vertical line. Click the top horizontal line. A preview of the fillet will appear. Add fillets to the other corners of the rectangle. Right-click the mouse and click the Select option. Now we are going to draw a chamfer. There are 3 different ways to define a chamfer. Angle distance. Distance, equal distance. Distance, not equal distance. Click the Chamfer tool. The Chamfer tool is a flyout from the Fillet tool. Define the size of the chamfer. Click the left vertical line. Click the top horizontal line. A preview of the chamfer will appear. Add a chamfer to the other corners. Click the Chamfer tool. Define the chamfer's angle and distance. Click the left vertical line. Click the top horizontal line. A preview of the chamfer will appear. The relative angle of the chamfer will depend on the line selection sequence. Note that an angle distance chamfer created with a 45 degrees angle will generate 2 equal distances. Click the Chamfer tool. Define the 2 distances. The direction of the chamfer depends on the line selection sequence. Click the lines. To watch our more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. If you like this video, press like button and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.